Welcome to my class on Vedic mathematics. In today's class of Vedic maths, we are discussing Vedic division. In this class, we will discuss how to divide less number of digits in the numerator with more number of 9's. For example, we can have 2 digits in the numerator and say 3 digits in the denominator like 999. You will understand it well. Let us take a look at today's questions. As you can see here in this particular board, question number 1 says 3 divided by 99. So how many digits are in the numerator? 1 digit, that is 3. And how many digits in the denominator? 99, 2 digits. So when you have similar situation, how do we divide? Now just try to understand what I am saying. 99 has 2 digits. So numerator you have to equalize the number of digits. So make it is just 3. So if you add 1 0 to the left, it becomes 2 digits. Now you already know how to divide equal number of 9's and equal number of digits. So this will be 0.030303, or we can say 0.03 bar. So this is easy to understand. This is the answer, 0.03 bar or 0.030303 ... Similarly, let us take a look at example number 2, where we have 12 divided by 999, 2 digits in the numerator and 3 digits in the denominator. There is a shortage of 1 digit in the numerator, so add 1 extra 0 to the left of 12 so that you have 3 digits in total. Now it will be 0.012 and then a bar, and that is our answer. It is equal to 0.012 ..... So that is a recurring decimal. Here also recurring decimal, and the same condition or situation is there in question number 3. We have 3 digits in the numerator whereas 4 digits in the denominator. So just we need to add extra 1 digit in the numerator so as to make it equal to the number of digits in the denominator. So 0.0345 bar or 0.0345 0345 0345 ... Now let us take a look at this example, question number 4. Here we have 3 digits in the denominator, 3 digits in the numerator and 5 digits in the denominator. So we have to first make the number of digits equal. So write 00972. Now this is equal to 5 digits. And give a point over here, and this another 0 and then 1 bar, and this is our answer. What I did, I just made number of digits in the numerator equal to number of digits in the denominator. So if it is less by 2 digits, 3 digits, whatever is the number of digits it is lesser by, you just add that much number of zeros. It is as simple. I hope you have understood it. If you have any question, you can write in the comment section. I will definitely answer your questions. Now few practice questions for you. Now these are few practice questions. You can answer these questions in the comment section. I will provide answer to these questions if they are wrong. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you have liked my video, please do share and subscribe to my channel. in case you wish to have online classes with me, we conduct online classes for test prep like SAT, GRE, GMAT, Olympiad Math, Math Count, MOEMS, Maths, all boards, and Science all boards. So you can contact us through our website situtors.in, or that is our Facebook page also. So you can contact through both ways. Thank you very much once again for watching my video. I'll see you in the next video.